I've been wanting to move back into the city these past 8 years. When I divorced back then, I didn't really have the option to do that. My 2 cats, who are indoor-outdoor cats, were fairly young at the time, and I couldn't see them be happy in the city, so I bought another house instead. After 7+ years in suburbia, I finally feel I can do the switch back to city life. Minnie and Bonus will be 14 next spring, and I found this place that has some good outside space in a very quiet part of the inner city of Stockholm. I've got the keys! Welcome to my minimalist home. I know it's so empty, but it will be quite minimalistic even after I move my stuff in. This place is 57 square meters. That's about 620 square feet, I think. And I have a few weeks of work first and move in late November 2018. These oak parquet floors are in pretty good shape, but after I'm removing some built-ins and a wall, they probably will need to be sanded. Here in the living room, I'll remove the built-in shelving and I'll repaint everything, basically. Actually, I'll be repainting all the ceilings and walls before I move in. Overall, it's a nice bright kitchen, but it needs updating. The building is 15 years old and the wear and tear is apparent close up. The cabinet doors and drawer fronts are getting picked up next week and will get sanded and spray painted with a fresh coat of white. I still haven't decided on hardware, but it will be switched out for sure. If you have any ideas, send me a link. This guy has seen better days. The front part of the stovetop has temperature issues apparently. I'm gonna switch to a separate stovetop and an oven. I didn't plan on having a microwave, but since this one's built in and fairly new, I think I'll probably keep it. I'm not a huge fan of stainless steel. I will be missing my cute white smeg, but I'll probably keep this setup for now. This will be my biggest splurge. There will be marble, backsplash and countertops. I'm so excited! I'm not sure how I feel about this divided windowsill situation. I get why it's like this, but I have to see if I get used to it, and if not, I'll probably have to figure something out. This is the door to the outside space. The bottom part will be switched from glass to a board with a kitty door. An XL kitty door. Someone will be pleased not having to wiggle themselves through in the future. This outside space is why I chose to buy this place. It's about 30 square meters or 320 square feet, which is unusual for a place in the inner city. My main priority before I move in is to secure it so Minnie and Bonus can't get out, but I also want to make sure that they will be comfortable here. The outside space is L-shaped, and on one side there is room for a table and chairs. I will put up a new fence along the perimeter here and a net will go over the top. Flower beds and quite a bit of greenery already, and come spring I'll add some more, like catnip and other feline-friendly plants. Also from the patio door there's a view across to the hallway again, which leads into the bedroom and bathroom. In the entry hall there's a coat closet. I'm not a huge fan of mirror doors, but in this case, since this is the darker part of the apartment and they'll reflect light, I'll try and get used to them. This is my bedroom. This wall is coming down and I'm considering using this room as a home office too. We'll see. Bed here. And I might put a small desk on this wall. I'm considering removing these wardrobes, but I haven't decided yet. There's a small walk-in closet here, and this is probably the one I'll use for my clothes. From the corner window in here, there's quite a nice view of the patio out back. This is the bathroom door from the hallway. I haven't decided on where to keep the litter box, but if I put it in the bathroom, I might add a kitty door down here. This is the bathroom, obviously, and it's quite spacious. I probably wouldn't have gone for black and white floor tiles myself, but I quite like it. Love the big mirror and the ledge. Not a fan of the shape and style of the tub. I'm considering putting up a glass wall and shower situation instead further down the line. Love the shape of the sink though. Gotta love a wall-hung throne for keeping clean. The bathroom is also where the washer and dryer are, which is nice, and there's some storage above too, which is great. And that concludes the tour of my empty new apartment. If you like this video, I'd love a thumbs up. If you don't subscribe already, I'd love it if you would want to do that. Leave me a comment and ask me anything. Like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.